Have you ever stood in line at the bank, holding your ID and your money, but what you were really holding was fear? Fear of saying the wrong word. Fear of the bank officer speaking too fast. Fear of being judged for your accent. So you wait, you smile, you nod, you pretend. But inside your heart is screaming, I know what I want to say. I just don't know how to say it in English. But today, right now, that changes. This isn't a grammar class. This is day 3 of your 30-day shadowing challenge. Here at Just Say English, we don't study English. We speak it. We shadow it. We own it. Welcome to day 3 of the 30-day shadowing challenge. I'm your coach, Ramo. If you've ever felt nervous, shy, or unsure at the bank, this episode will free your voice and build your confidence. So take a deep breath. This isn't just English practice. This is the moment you stop feeling afraid and start speaking brave. Let's begin. What you'll learn today. In today's practice session, you'll learn how to talk to a bank officer in natural English, the difference between a checking and savings account, real-life phrase for asking question politely, vocabulary used in every U.S. bank, explained simply, how to open your first account step by step with confidence. How to use natural expressions, tone, and small talk like a native speaker. You'll also practice shadowing. You'll repeat after me at 3 speeds: slow, medium, and natural. By the end of today's episode, you'll feel like you can walk into any bank in the U.S. and talk in English with confidence. Vocabulary for today's episode. 1. Bank account. A service that keeps your money safe. Example, I opened a bank account so I don't have to carry cash all the time. 2. Savings account. Used to store money and earn interest slowly. Example, I use my savings account to save for emergencies and travel. 3. Checking account. Used for daily spending and comes with a debit card. Example, my paycheck goes into my checking account every Friday. 4. Deposit. When you put money into your account. Example, I deposited $500 at the bank this morning. 5. Withdraw. When you take money out of your account. Example, I withdrew some cash to pay my rent. 6. ATM, automatic teller machine. The machine you use to get cash or check your balance. Example, I went to the ATM because the bank was closed. 7. PIN, personal identification number. Your 4-digit security code for the ATM. Example, don't forget your PIN or you can't access your money. 8. Balance. The amount of money you have in your account right now. Example, I checked my balance before shopping. 9. Form. A paper or online document where you write your personal and financial information. Example, to open a new account, you must fill out this form. 10. Interest rate. The percentage your savings grow or you pay on loans. Example, this savings account has a 2% interest rate per year. 11. Receipt. A paper or digital proof of a transaction. Example, always keep your receipt when you deposit money. 12. Bank teller. A person at the bank who helps you in person. Example, the bank teller helped me send money abroad. Trez, online banking, using your phone or computer to do banking. Example, I use online banking to transfer money to my landlord. 14. Customer service. The team you call when there's a problem. Example, I lost my debit card, so I called customer service. 15. Initial deposit. The first amount of money you put in when opening a new account. Example, you can open your account with an initial deposit of 50. 16. Statement. A document that shows your monthly bank activity. Example, I download my bank statement at the end of every month. 17. Mailing address, where your debit card or statement will be sent. Example, please make sure your mailing address is correct. 18. Branch, a physical building of a bank. Example, I visited the downtown branch to open my account. 19. Bank app, the mobile application you use for banking. Example, the bank app helps me check my balance and pay bills quickly. 20. Photo ID, an identification document like a passport or driver's license. Example, you need a photo ID to open a new account. Don't worry if you don't remember every word right now. You'll hear them again in the dialogue in real situations. Just listen and repeat naturally. Your English brain is growing. Now, let's get into our real-world dialogue. Dialogue 1. Opening a bank account. You walk into a U.S. bank for the first time. You're nervous but ready. Let's go. You. Hi, good morning. I would like to open a bank account, please. Bank officer. Good morning. Of course I'd be happy to help. Is this your first account in the U.S.? You. Yes, I moved here last month. I want to keep my money safe and not carry too much cash. Bank officer. Very smart. Carrying cash isn't safe. We have two types of accounts, checking and savings. Do you know the difference? You. I've heard the words, but I don't know clearly. Can you explain it simply? Bank officer. Absolutely. A checking account is for daily life, like buying groceries, paying rent, using your debit card, or getting your salary. A savings account is where you keep extra money, and it grows slowly with interest. You. Okay. Checking is for spending. Savings is for saving. Bank officer. Exactly. Most people open both. Would you like to open both today? You. Yes, that sounds good. Bank officer. Great. I'll need two things. A photo ID, like a passport, and a proof of address, like a phone or electricity bill. You. Here is my passport, and this is my phone bill. It has my name and address. Bank officer. Perfect, thank you. Let me check. Yes, everything is perfect. You. Do I need to pay any money to open the account? Bank officer. No, it's free to open, but we do ask for an initial deposit. You can start with 25. You. I want to put 150 in checking and 50 in savings. Bank officer. That's a great start. Now let's fill out your application form together. Don't worry, I'll explain every step. You. Thank you. My English is not strong. Bank officer. You're doing great. Really. Now full name? You. Okay. Bank officer. Birth date? You. August 4th, 1999. Bank officer. Phone number and email? Now choose a 4-digit PIN for your debit card. You, I'll choose 2,345. Easy to remember. Bank officer. All right. Your account is ready. Here's your temporary debit card. You can use it now. Your permanent card will arrive by mail in 7 days. That was easier than I thought. I was really nervous. Bank officer. You did amazing. Your English is better than you think, and you were very polite and clear. That's what matters. Thank you so much. Bank officer. Anytime. And welcome to the bank. I feel more confident now. Bank officer. That's the goal. Come back if you need anything. Practice this dialogue by shadowing. Repeat each line after me slowly, then again at medium speed. Then say the full dialogue naturally, like a movie scene. You're building real English muscle. Keep going. Dialogue 2. Withdrawing money at the bank counter. You go to the bank to withdraw cash. You've used ATMs before, but this time you want to talk to the teller, ask some questions, and build your confidence speaking English. Hi, good afternoon. I would like to withdraw some money from my checking account. Teller, good afternoon. I can help you with that. May I please see your debit card or ID? Yes, here is my debit card. I also brought my passport just in case. Teller, that's perfect. Thank you. All right, I've pulled up your account. How much would you like to withdraw today? I want to withdraw 300. Teller, sure thing. Would you like large bills or small bills? What's the difference? Teller, large bills are 50s or 100s. Small bills are 20s, 10s, or 5s. For example, some people like 100 bills because it's less paper to carry. Oh, okay. I think I'll take 220 bills and 110 bills. Teller, got it. Let me get that for you. 1, 2, 3. Here's your cash. Could you please count and confirm? Yes. Everything is here. Thank you. Teller, you're very welcome. Would you like a receipt? Yes, please. I keep them in my folder. Teller, smart. Staying organized makes banking so much easier. I also wanted to ask, if I go to an ATM outside your bank, do I get charged? Teller, great question. If you use another bank's ATM, we charge a 2.5 fee. Plus, their bank might charge you too. Oh, wow, that's like 5 just to get my own money. Teller, I know, right? That's why we always recommend using our ATMs. They're free. Okay, I'll keep that in mind. I'm still learning how everything works here. Teller, you're doing great, and you're asking all the right questions. Thank you. I feel more confident each time I come. Teller, that's exactly what we love to hear. Is there anything else I can help with? No, that's all. Thank you for your kindness. Teller, my pleasure. Have a great day. You too. Bye. Practice this dialogue in 3 ways. First, listen and repeat slowly. Second, say it back at a normal pace. Third, act it out like real life. Use emotion, eye contact, and confidence. You're training your mouth and your brain like building a muscle. Dialogue 3. Depositing a check. You received your first paycheck from work, or maybe a refund check. You go to the bank to deposit it. You've never done it before, so you ask for help. Good morning. I need help depositing a check. I've never done this before. Teller, good morning. No problem at all. That's what I'm here for. May I see the check and your ID? Sure. Here's the check and my driver's license. Teller, thank you. Let's see. This is a paycheck. Would you like to deposit it into your checking or savings account? Into my checking account, please. I need to use the money soon. Teller, makes sense. Would you like to deposit the full amount or cash some and deposit the rest? I didn't know that's an option. I think I want to keep 200 and deposit the rest. Teller, got it. You'll cash 200 and deposit the rest. I'll take care of that. Before we process it, I'll need your signature on the back of the check. That's called endorsing it. Okay, I signed it. Is that good? Teller, perfect. Now, just a moment while it processes. Okay, all done. Great. How soon will the money be available? Teller, good question. Since this is a payroll check from a local employer, the full amount will be available by tomorrow morning. That's fast. And what if I deposit a personal check from a friend? Teller, those usually take 1 to 2 business days, sometimes longer if it's a large amount or from another state. Okay, I'll remember that. Can I also deposit checks from the ATM? Teller, yes, you can. Just insert your card, select Deposit Check, and follow the instructions. You'll slide the check into the slot. Do I still sign the check if I use the ATM? Teller, yes. Always sign the back before depositing, even at the ATM. That way it's valid. Thank you. I didn't know that. So much to learn. Teller, you're learning fast. Most people never even ask. You're doing the right thing. Thanks. One more question. Can someone else deposit a check for me? Teller, yes, but only if you sign the check and write for deposit only with your account number. Then someone else can take it in. That's good to know. I feel like I understand so much more now. Teller, I'm glad. Anything else I can help with today? No, that's all. You've been super helpful. Teller, my pleasure. Have a great day. You too. Dialogue 4. Exchanging foreign currency. You walk into a U.S. bank because you want to exchange your home country's money into U.S. dollars. You're not sure of the process, but you're ready to ask politely and learn something new. Hello. Excuse me. I need help. I want to exchange some money, please. Teller, of course. I can help you with that. What kind of currency are you exchanging today? I have Australian dollars. I just arrived last week. I want to get dollars. Teller, welcome. Let me check today's exchange rate for Australian dollars to dollars. Today, 1 is equal to about 1.5 Australian dollars. Okay. So how much will I get if I give 82.5 Australian dollars? Teller, let's see. 82.5 divided by 1.5. You'll get about 55. We also charge a currency exchange fee of 5, so you'll get 50 total. Oh, okay. I didn't know there was a fee. Every time? Teller, yes, all banks charge a small fee, but you can compare rates between banks or currency centers to get the best deal. You, that makes sense. I'll give you the Australian dollars now. Do I need to show ID? Teller, yes, please. Any photo ID will do, passport or driver's license. You, here's my passport. Teller, thank you. Everything looks good. I'll count the money, and now here's your 50 in US cash. Would you like a receipt? You, yes, please. Teller, here you go. Keep it just in case you need it for records or travel. You, I will. One more question. Can I exchange money at the airport too? Teller, yes, but airport exchange centers usually have higher fees and lower rates. It's best to exchange only small amounts there. You, oh, okay. Thank you for explaining everything clearly. Teller, you're welcome, and great job asking questions. That's how you learn fast. You, I feel better every time I speak English now. I used to be so scared. Teller, and now you're doing great. Confidence is growing every day. You, thank you. Bye. Teller, take care. Dialogue 5. Asking about a personal loan. You're thinking of borrowing money for something important, maybe a car, medical expense, or to build your credit. You visit the bank to ask about personal loans. You, hi, I'd like to speak to someone about getting a personal loan. Loan officer, you came to the right place. I can help you with that. First, may I ask what the loan is for? You, I want to buy a used car. I don't have enough savings yet. Loan officer, that's a very common reason to take out a loan. How much do you need to borrow? You, around 50. I want to make monthly payments, not too high. Loan officer, understood. We offer personal loans between 10 and 50. Let me ask a few questions to check your eligibility. You, okay. What do you need? Loan officer, I'll need your photo ID, your social security number, your proof of income like pay stubs or tax documents, and your credit history. You, I have my passport and social security card. I also brought my paycheck slip. Loan officer, excellent. Your documents are perfect. Now let me explain how it works. You, yes, please. Loan officer, we give you 50 and you pay it back monthly with interest. The interest is like a small fee for borrowing. You, what's the interest rate? Loan officer, for new customers, the rate is usually 8 to 10% per year, depending on your credit score. You, I don't know my credit score. I just moved here. Loan officer, that's okay. If you're new, you might need a cosigner, someone with good credit to sign with you. You, oh, like my brother? Loan officer, exactly. If your brother has a U.S. credit history, he can help you qualify for better terms. You, and how long do I have to pay it back? Loan officer, we offer loan terms from 12 to 60 months, 1 to 5 years. You, okay, I think I'd want to pay it back in 2 years. Does that sound okay? Loan officer, that's a great plan. Your monthly payment will be around $230 to $250, depending on the final rate. You, I think I can manage that. What's the next step? Loan officer, we fill out an application and you'll get an answer within 1 to 3 business days. You, can I do this online too? Loan officer, yes, absolutely. You can apply in person or online. I can help you with both. You, that's very helpful. I was nervous, but now I feel informed. Loan officer, that's what we're here for. You ask the right questions. You're learning fast. You, thank you. I'll talk to my brother and come back tomorrow. Loan officer, sounds good. I look forward to helping you again. Key real-life phrases you practiced. I'd like to ask about a personal loan. How much do you want to borrow? What's the interest rate? What documents do you need? Can someone co-sign with me? You did it! You just completed day 3 of the 30-day shadowing challenge right here on Just Say English. Today, you didn't just learn English, you spoke it, you lived it. You understood how to talk confidently at the bank in real situations. Let's remember what you practiced. How to open your first bank account in the U.S. How to withdraw and deposit money using real phrases. How to exchange foreign currency confidently. How to ask about personal loans like an adult, with respect and clarity. And how to shadow each line at 3 speeds so it becomes part of your brain. And if you're thinking, my English isn't perfect yet, that's okay. If you're thinking, I made some mistakes while shadowing, that's not just okay. That's how you grow. Every minute you speak with me in this series, you're training your brain, your mouth, and your courage. Don't forget, practice today's dialogue 3 times, slow, medium, and natural. Use the vocabulary in your real life, even just to yourself. Share this challenge with someone who's learning too and help them grow. Comment below. I finished day 3. I'm ready for day 4. Let the world see your consistency. This is Ramo, your English shadowing coach. And this was Just Say English. We don't study English. We speak it every single day. Keep practicing. Keep growing. Bye for now, and remember, you're not afraid of English anymore.